So now it was a pleasure. Mr. Agam has now left. So now I can take up. I can allow you to let me just show you few things from Fund Expert side. What you can do in Fund Expert. I'm sure some of you are already doing it. So I will take you through my personal account. I'll show you how I have invested, what I have done, what is the paperwork, what is the returns I'm getting, which are the exposure I have got exposed to. So that gives you a first-hand information of a product and services which we truly believe in. You can see it's. I'm going to share you because I can't share you for any other existing investor, but I am surely within our family I can always share my own personal investments. So let me just share my system. So and then I will show you how there are things benefited for you from your admin panel, from your how these are all linked, and you can take advantage of that. And also cover what kind of incentives you get and all. So if you look at that, for every client which you go, like suppose you when you start, you go to client account. This is a client account. You will see there is something known as P2P loan investment. You click on P2P loan, you click on liquid loans, you come to his account. You will see all the personal information of the client. Then you will have obviously a submit option here. You can submit button here. Once you submit it, you will see a liquid loan investor ID will get created, like it got created here. And then the customer has to. And the great thing here is, since you already have your customer data on Fund Expert, all these are already pre-populated there. You have to just click on submit. The moment you click on submit, his registration is done, and the customer gets a confirmation mail as well as one mail which contains investor agreement. Customer has to just e-sign that investor agreement. So that is a very simple process. Just open the link which comes in the mail, enter the OTP with the mobile number, and then in the next screen, either if you are opening on a mobile, you can sign on the screen, or you can choose a pre-designed letters of your name and use that as a signature, and select that and submit, and your investor agreement is e-signed. So once that is done, now you're registered a customer, e-sign is done, you have to upload the KYC documents. 3 documents are required. First is the check image. So you just upload the check, you choose the bank and upload the check image. The moment you upload here, so that's why you come to the second option, which is upload documents, which you can see here. The moment you choose the bank, you click on check and then click on upload image. The moment this will be red, this will turn green. So that means the check image is uploaded. Now you don't have checks because a lot of clients will not have check. Upload a bank statement or upload a bank passbook copy. So one of them will definitely he will have. So please upload that. That will contain his bank proof. The next option you have is upload. Once you have click on green, you have to click on submit. So click on submit. Once it is, this will turn green. So there are 2 clicks required. First to upload, then you can verify whether you uploaded correctly, and then you can submit the one which you have uploaded. The moment you uploaded, this check is your bank proof is done. The first proof is bank proof. The second is the address proof. So what do you do for address proof? You upload the proof of address image. You have multiple options. You have 6 options actually. Aadhaar, passport, driving license, utility bill, rental agreement, and voter ID. Now, obviously, if you are doing Aadhaar, passport, driving license, voter ID, all of them have 2 sides. All these IDs have 2 sides. Passport has 2 sides. Aadhaar has front and back. Driving license front and back. So you have to upload both the sides because the address and your photograph both should be visible. So you can upload them here. Please upload both the sides one by one. We have seen some cases where people only upload the address, which is then again we have to inform them to upload both. So please upload both the sides of the proof one by one from the same link. Once you upload, it will turn green. Then you click on submit, it will get submitted. Then again you upload the second one and then submit. So every time you upload, you have to submit. Upload, submit, upload, submit. Okay. So upload first, submit, then upload again, then submit. Once you have uploaded both and submitted, it will get registered. Both your proof of address will be now available. Now you go to PAN. PAN is your third thing. PAN image you just take, upload the PAN image, and again submit. So once you have done upload documents, your KYC is complete. You are ready to invest. So now you should click on invest. Once you click on invest, you will see all the schemes what he has mentioned, what he has shown on screen. So you had 0-month schemes like this, or 3-month scheme. 0 month is currently 8.15%. Absolutely greatest option for anyone who is investing for any time withdrawal reason. So current accounts, all those people who, a lot of people hold 10 days fund, 15 days fund, 30 days fund for salary purpose, for other purpose, small shops. This is used by virtually any commercial organization. You can use that. So you will get a lot of there. 8.15% is 0 months. Then you have little 3 months. When a person can give a 3-month commitment that he can hold without drawing for 3 months, then choose the 3 months. Here it is 8.8% return. Then you go to 6 months, then it is 9.3% XIR. If you go to 12 months, it will be 9.5% XIR. So these are your 4 options with monthly payout growth, monthly payout growth. So you can choose the option whatever you're looking for interested. Click that option and do the investment. Then you have that. If you heard him, then you have 24 months option, which is 9.3%, and 36 months option, which is 3 years, which is 9%. But you also heard there is a double advantage schemes also. Double advantage means you have lock-in, but you also have ability to withdraw at a lower rate of return. So like this, if you click here, 8.75% for 12 months, but if you withdraw any time before, you will get 7.25%. But at least it is getting, you have flexibility to hold any time and withdraw anytime. Both are there. If you withdraw whatever amount you withdraw, you will have to pay 7.25%. But if you continue to hold for 1 year, you will get 8.75%. Then you get next option 24 months, double advantage 9%. Then 36 months, double advantage 9%. Again, there are if you draw any time in the first year or second year, you can get lower rate of return as shown by. So these are double advantage plan. Now choose the plan and invest. So how can you invest? All the options are available. So let me just give you an example. So suppose I click on 12 months growth, and now I have clicked on that. Now I can put amount. Say I put 1 lakh. Now I have got options: UPI net banking, NEFT, RTGS, check. I can use any of this to make the investment. Okay. UPI net banking is an online. It's just instant online. It will go. So if I click on 1 lakh and invest on UTI, it will take me to the payment gateway. So in Intellect payment gateway, I have multiple options. So I can choose net banking or UPI. If I click on UPI, see I have Google Pay, Phone Pay, Bheem, Paytm, Amazon Pay, or any other UPI ID. You just have to enter this. Or the alternate option is go choose net banking. These are the most popular ones, which is mentioned: Axis, HDFC, ICICI, SBI, Kotak, Airtel. But you can also, there are other banks. You can search for other banks. You can write a bank. Say I want to write Catholic Syrian Bank. So it's showing only Catholic. So like that, if I can, you can see alphabetically all the banks are listed: Bank of Maharashtra, India, Central Bank, Cosmos Bank, DCB, Deutsche Bank, Dhanlaxmi, all kinds of smaller banks, Indian Overseas, Karnataka Bank, Karur Vyasa Bank, Lakshmi Vilas Bank, PNB, Saraswat Bank, South India Bank, like that. There are multiple number of Tamil Nadu Mercantile, UCO Bank, Union Bank, and so many other banks, Yes Bank. So you have so many other banks also. People can make that investment. So one option was you choose an online gateway and make the payment. That is like one kind of option. The other option will be the choose the option where you can make payment through UTR or RTGS. So if you see that page, there is a payment gateway page also which comes. Yeah, so now I logged in back, and now I go to loans. So I can, so invest now. There was another option. Suppose if I chose NEFT UTI. So here is the bank detail. You can see there is a bank detail: NDX, P2P, Private Limited, IDOI Bank, 91 point, account number, current account. So you can take this account, add as a payee, and you can do NEFT, RTGS, or you can do check. Just write a UTR or check number here after doing the payment and submit, and your investment is done. So this is the second option, which people, you can deposit a check, you can do NEFT, RTGS. So all those options are available. This is your various options. So once you have done investment, you can see orders. Under orders, if you go, see just now I did this order, so it is failed. So it is showing failure. So like that, orders will have two status: rejected because they failed, because sometime and or executed. If it got stuck in somewhere in between, like you disconnected it or the network got disconnected, maybe it will show pending. Okay. Yeah, check can be deposited in any IDBI bank. Yes, Mr. Ramakrishna, Kalyan Krishna, sorry. So it can be deposited in any bank, and then the order status will eventually move to rejected or executed. It could be in between progress or pending, depending on if the network is not completed or some reason it didn't complete, then it could show that. Executed means these payments are already done, and those will start showing in your holdings. So if you go to holdings, you will see the investments which you got executed. You can see the withdrawal amount, accrued amount. So withdrawal amount, which are locked in amount, you may only see withdrawal amount is 0, but accrued amount so much. And you also get withdraw options, and you can withdraw from your investments which you have done here. If you go to dashboard, it will show you currently the amount. So like I have invested over 6,50,000. I have already got 8,000 rupees of interest so far. And this is only less than 2 months old, my investments. My withdrawal amount, I have 1.5 lakhs. I have still locked in for 5 lakhs. If you look at some 6,000 of, 4,000 of interest is already there. So roughly total, I have earned 12,000 rupees on a 6.5 lakh rupees investment in around 2 months time. So my annualized return is right now running 9.86 as a overall. So I can see my dashboard. So I like you showed holdings. Holdings have one more advantage. It has the PDF. So here, when you do a transactions, you can download the statement account. So if you click on that, it will download your statement account, and you can see liquid loan statement account. You can just let me put and then probably, and then I can show you can download this. This statement is not only you can see here, you can also download it, and you can open it. You can share it with the customer, or customer can also download it. You also have it is also available in your admin panel. You can see all your interest, your details, your customer details, his address. So it's a statement account, and whatever is invested in what period, all that is available on your statement account. So you get a statement account which customer can get it from here. Now, obviously, if customer has tomorrow he wants to add further bank accounts, you can add it here. If he is already added in his profile, it will be available there. And then once you add a bank account here, if you want to make it your main account, then you have to update it. So first, obviously, I have not yet filled my profile. So an update account, if you go, but you can directly now add it here and submit an update account only if you want to make it a default account or the main account. Now comes to you've seen all the products and features. Obviously, about liquid loans, you can also, and you want to see what is happening on my investments. So you click on login. You can log in your account. Now, where do you get this ID password? If you click on register, you can see your email ID and your password. So once you see your password, click on the I see the password, and customer can log in on Liquid Loan dashboard. So if I log in, it will take me inside Liquid Loans where I can see my investment details. So you see right now the same figures which I can see there also. Here also it's available. My investment, how much I got paid, how much is accrued, what is the total interest earned. I am able to see all that. If I go to my portfolio, it will show me all the borrower details. See, all our borrower details are now loading, and I can see my 6,50,000 has gone to whom. So it has gone to 310 borrowers. Average amount is 1,600. The average obligation of these borrowers to their income, which is known as FOIR ratio, is 27%. That means I have these buyers are very healthy, because whatever they are earning, their obligation is just 27% out of that. Then average tenure of the loans which they have given is 14 months. Average credit score 770. That's super prime rating. In fact, probably little or close to my personal rating myself. So it's as good as I have lended to very high prime borrowers. That's why they say it's prime debt. Then average age, you can see 36 years. You can also see the type of people it has gone invested. This person works in income tax department. This person works in Infosys, Stampede Capital, Pabri Investments, and look at Bangalore, Pondicherry, Aurangabad, and look at their incomes to their whatever they're drawing. And what is my investment amount to them? Very small. So my exposure is Vodafone, Cognizant, Honeywell. These are all amazing companies which people work at. Atria. These are all software companies making. These guys are doing extremely well. So, and then some of them, see, look, monthly income 1.5 lakh monthly. So obviously these are like working for Varanasi. Means he's obviously is registered. So these are all different people from all different places. I can load more and see all these borrowers. So it's very well and clear that I am lending to very high quality borrowers, very, very powerful, very prime borrowers, and it's all available for each and every client. Now I am showing this is not that it's only available for me, it's available for each and every investor, which you can see here. Okay, so that's the power of where your investments are actually going to and who is getting exposed to. So it's all about liquid loans. Now you want to understand NCD. You can see the NCD, we have put a poster here also, which explains very clearly why you should do liquid loans. You can download this poster, you can share it. It gives you all that. Like I said, each one has monthly, cumulative, or quarterly interest cum principal payouts. All these will automatically trigger. As per that, people can choose monthly, cumulative, quarterly. Again, you have 10 lakhs to 50 lakhs or 50 lakhs to 1 crore or 1 crore or more. So interest rate goes higher as you invest more. It starts from 9.5 for 1 year, 10 days, and goes up to 10.25%. And I don't know whether he mentioned or not, because he was mentioning so many points, but this interest rate will only be applicable for this NCD will get over on 24th December. The interest rates for all the other products also will get cut down from 1st January. So basically, the interest rates, what you're seeing, 9.5% for 10 months, is just valid more next 12 to 13 days only. Is that your next 10 days only? You have a very short window opportunity to reach out to all your borrowers, and you can get them onto this better interest rate, because they're going to cut the interest rate. And the reason they are cutting the interest rate is very simple. They have been just rated AA minus ICRA, which is a very high safety rating. And that when your rating goes higher, your bond prices come down. That's the risk and reward is indicated. So bond prices means the bond interest will come down. So bonds, so same thing, NCD and all these are debt exposure. They will reduce the interest rate because they have got a higher safety rating. So they have no reason to continue offer that attractive. So it will come down. I'm not saying it is going to drastically fall, but even if it is going to fall by say 0.5%, it is much better to lock your investors' money at 9.5 than in January when you do invest the same money at 9%. So here is an opportunity, a limited period opportunity for all of you to take advantage, for all your clients to take advantage of it. The second reason is, and how you can also see or register your customers. So all this, how do you invest in NCD? So look here, invest in NCD. Now NCD is always a listed instrument. It is listed, has to be listed on stock exchange. This is a requirement SEBI. So that's why DP account number is mandatory, which is Demat account number. A 16-digit number has to be entered. Then whatever the face value you're buying, face value of a debenture is 1 lakh. NCD is a debenture. You have to buy minimum 10 debenture, which is 10 lakhs, or it can be even 100 debentures, which is 1 crore. So any number of debentures. Then choose an tenure, 375 days, 740 days, 1106. Choose a tenure, monthly, cumulative, quarterly, and choose a mode of payment, NEFT, RTGS, or check. Obviously, there's no online payment because this is a much substantial larger amount. So you have to do NEFT, RTGS check, and you have to write the UTR number and put the payment date and submit. And your task of applying for this NCD is done. The second half is, once this NCD is done, then you will get a the customer will get a mail where he will contain this investor the application form, which he has to just take, sign, and send the photograph to officially record it as per NCD application requirement. So that's all it takes. And this is the bank account. So the bank account details for NCD is different. It is not the same as the bank account detail of, because NCD is issued by another account, because that's an escrow account just for P2P. So here NCD account is the bank name, bank account, address, account number, IFSC code. So people have to transfer to this account to make the investment. So that's the process. It's a very easy, straightforward process. I'm sure you will be able to easily do it. Once you have invested in NCD, you can go to my NCD, you can see the date of investment, how much you invested, what is the payout, what is the Demat account to enter, and what is the status you have done the processing. So you can see the status of whatever. Okay, so it's all available under my NCD. Okay, so this completes your entire process. Now I'll show you one more interesting thing, which I will take you to a demo, how this all you can do to take advantage of this to build a very large AUM, which will never leave you. See, the advantage of building an AUM under Liquid Loans is there is a special feature we have introduced in discussion with them, and that's the lock-in. So the clients which suppose I go to Liquid Loans, here Liquid Loans, register client. So whatever clients have been registered under me, these clients are now locked for investment to me. So that means tomorrow, if these clients go even here, today they may not invest, but tomorrow they can decide I like to invest, because Liquid Loans will go in due course, come on TV, will be marketed by other people. He can hear this from anywhere, and then he can decide to invest. So even if he goes directly to Liquid Loans, he will not be allowed. He will not be able to invest. It will say your account already exists. Please contact your advisor, or then. So whatever he invests is always be you will always gain benefit out of you. That means the payout on that will always come to you, whether he is there with you or not, whether you are marketing it aggressively or not. You don't have to. The payout will automatically come to you. The clients get locked. So that's why we built a very interesting utility. We call it pre-register or register your clients, which you can use to register your clients on Liquid Loans. So what you can do is you can select the clients whom you want to register. Say select, click apply, and all of them will get directly registered on Liquid Loans in one click. So you don't have to go to each and every time to a customer account to register him. you can directly generate his registration detail from here. Okay, if you want to obviously edit any information later on, it can be done, but you can generate your client's investor liquid loans ID here. Once it is generated, all the clients whose liquid loans investor ID generated will be available under the liquid loans user. So under liquid loans user, these are the clients for which ID has already been generated. So there, these categories, these client of are kind of are already are kind of like, you know, they are already their payouts. They may not have invested, like your transactions may be there, may not be there, but whenever they invest, you will see. Now, whenever these guys invest or do any transactions, it will appear here. So you will see, and you will have different transaction status: rejected, progress, pending, approved, executed. So approved means payment has been approved. Rejected means it got rejected, failed. Progress pending, it is somewhere in between. Payment has either not come or some step is missing from the customer onboarding. Executed means it has been executed, and you will receive a PDF URL here, which you can click here and download the PDF. So this is a PDF. You click here and you can download the PDF and share off the transaction of the user. So all the transactions which you do here. Now, once you have registered users and transactions, then comes your dashboard. So if you go to Liquid Loan dashboard, you will see your entire AUM of liquid loans. So you will see the customer wise how much he is holding, each customer name and the total AUM under that customer. What is the current value? What is the annualized return customer is getting? You can get for all the invested customers in one view, one click. You can get your entire AUM dashboard is available under liquid loans dashboard. So that gives you idea. Now, once you have a dashboard, every month there will be out. If you go to payouts, you can see every month 30th the payout is being done, subject to minimum 100 rupees, otherwise it gets carried forward, and you get a 1% commission on that. Now here the advantage is, if the customer has purchased a fixed tenure period like 3 months, 6 months, then the entire 3 months, 6 months trail is paid immediately. But if a customer has purchased 0 month, then obviously it will be paid like trail, because how many days he's holding, for that only you'll get paid. But if you invest in a 3 months, 6 months period, then the entire 3 months, 6 months calculation will be done and paid out to you next month on 30th. Whatever transaction happened in this month, next month 30th you go. So you start with 1%. As your AUM goes, your payout sharing also increases. So you get the best payout where from anywhere you get the best payout by investing through liquid loans. So this product amazing. It's a debt product with, I would say, with equity type payout, with 1% and higher kind of payout, because there's no debt mutual fund will pay that kind of a payout. So you have an amazing product which makes a great product for a customer and great product for you to build a great AUM with customer logged into you. So once you have done so much effort to explain a customer, tomorrow for whatever reason he cannot leave you and go direct to liquid loans, he has to go through, his investments will always count for you, and there is no change of ARN, there's no transfer here, he can't do anything. You have locked him. So it's very important and essential, and we want all of you to take advantage of this. Register all your client as early as possible in liquid loans and make sure that. Now this does not end here. Whenever you're registering all your clients and everything, do ask us, do tell us. Your Ritesh is our liquid loans RM, who will help you by generating personalized marketing materials. So all those who are registering their client, he will give them personalized marketing materials which you can share with your clients, as well as he will also send a marketing mailer campaign for you on your behalf, free of cost, for all, if you're registering all your clients to them, so that they are aware they are getting registered, and if there is any detail, they will contact back you. It will be from your name. It will go from Fund Expert email ID, but it will have will be your name, and reply will come back to your email ID, and it will have your details and everything, and your name, phone number, everything. So basically, he'll set up a marketing mailer. That he will set it up for you, and it will go. So you have ability to these kind of extra support with personalized marketing material, with a personalized marketing mailer for your customers. If you are registering all your customers here, he will run all these campaigns for you and give you all this kind of support, so that your clients will become aware of this. They will contact you, and you can then speak to those who are interested and take it forward. So that's the pay. Now, once every month you are getting payout, where do you get that payout? That comes in the payout report. So go to your payout report. It gives you very, very clearly, very transparently each and every payout which is generated from the system. So it gives you month and year, what is the payout generated, what is the TDS, what is the final amount, when it was settled, what was the payment mode, what was the UTR number, which bank account got credited. And once you click on action, there will be a detailed. So you will get a detailed breakup, client by client, transaction by transaction. You get a breakup where you can see when the transaction happened and how much you got paid for each and every transaction wise. So it's a very comprehensive reconciliation system inbuilt in the system itself, So there's no need for any other kind of a reconciliation or anything. It's a straightforward automated entire system inbuilt in place. Because from the experience of what we have seen with other products like mutual fund and all, we have built this most comprehensive MIS inside your system, so that you don't have to run anywhere. What is my EM? What is the breakup? Who is paying? Which transaction? How much I am supposed to get? When will I get paid? Everything, including like you think like a brokerage reconciliation, details, EM is all inbuilt inside your admin panel, comprehensively built in. Plus, like I said, you have also a full-time RM support which we have made for this possible, who works only regarding liquid loans and other products. I'm writing his number in the chat, and you are free to approach him, post this for any kind of support, help, or so for or guidance. Or in fact, he is also doing things like he has been doing recently for IFAs. Like you have HNI customers who need to be explained, so he'll come along with you and on online meeting and help you do that. Yes, Satish ji, we latest monthly update on performance for first week. We are going to start. It will come from January. You'll start getting latest monthly update on performance every week. But it will go to only those guys, because that's the information we don't want to send to each and every way. So if you have transacted on liquid loans, we will provide you the latest monthly update on their performance every month. Okay. So if you are transacted, you can ask Ritesh. He will provide you this information every month. We'll give you this. So this is the number. Please contact him. He'll give you personalized material, set up your mailer campaign, help you to register all your clients on the system. All that he will guide you and do it for any kind of thing. Yes, Mr. Satiji, is that point clear? So you will get automatically. Yes, Mr. Kilkan, what will happen is, before the moment the registration happen, yes, the email automatically, one email goes to the customer from Liquid Loans informing his Liquid Loans registration has been done. And before doing that registration, if you're doing for everyone, if you're doing for individual, then you yourself can inform the customer. If you're doing for everyone together, you can ask Ritesh to generate a mailer campaign for you for all your users, which he will do it in the night. He'll schedule it for you in the night, and then all the users will get a mail that you will be shortly, this is a new product we are adding, and you will be shortly registered under Liquid Loans, and you will be getting a registration mail. So they will get an email alert, and then you can do the registration thereafter through the utility. So you can do that. Okay. So, Mr. Kannan, doubt clear? It can be deposited in any IDB bank. The email going also I have explained. And Mr. Satish, well, like I said, latest update on their monthly performance, they are already providing it. We will start sending it to all those IFAs who are doing the liquid loans, so that this information will come to you. Fine, Mr. Satish. So with this, I've kind of explained all the features inside the panel, inside the thing, what all you have, what all you can use it. So now I clearly believe that as a small advisor or a single advisor, you need to build product and services which will give you stability in your income and continuity, and will prove rewarding for you. And this is definitely one of those products which you should definitely take it forward and make a great advantage of it and take a lead of it. Now, second thing, I also believe that we are very early in marketing liquid loans to our customers, because they're still you don't like, it's not like mutual fund. When you go and speak, you say, yeah, already 5 more people are speaking to me about mutual fund. Whereas you have that early benefit, early lead advantage. So take advantage of that, because 1 year later, I will not be able to tell you that's advantage. 1 year later, everybody will know, and then you will have competition for other people. So right now, no competition. Go ahead and acquire all retail, non-retail, institutional, all kind of customers to build your liquid loan business, because this is the best time to do. Next 1 year will make a lifetime difference, I would say, to a lot of IFAs who will put this thing, because this will become a substantial income generation component from next year onwards. How mutual fund is today for a lot of you who have started this for some time back, today it has become a substantial. If you do the same thing liquid loans, the advantage here is this income will continue to stay with you again and again without having a chance or getting exposed to other competition. Or it's not like tomorrow some big large fintech company can come and take away your customer, like it has done for a lot of mutual fund other products, because here the customer gets locked in. So take advantage of all that. Now with that, I am completed whatever I need to say. I will now allow people who raise hands, I will unmute them and they can ask their questions like our usual practices. So I'll unmute Mr. Sanmukh because he raised his hand. So Mr. Sanmukh, you have been allowed to unmute and you are free to ask your question.
हेलो सर।
Yes, Mr. San.
हाँ,
Mr. San.
मान लो कि कोई बिजनेस करता है तो करंट अकाउंट से वो चेक, वो मतलब उसका प्रूफ के लिए क्या देना पड़ेगा? करंट
करंट
अकाउंट
अकाउंट से
से वो
चेक के लिए
इन्वेस्टमेंट
ठीक
करता
हो
है,
गया, जो चेक कस्टमर ने बनाया है वही प्रूफ हो गया।
मतलब वो करंट अकाउंट वाला ही, मतलब वो अपलोड करना है।
हाँ, करंट अकाउंट वाला चेक ही अपलोड करना है।
और केवाईसी
Current
के लिए?
account, current account. See, the name of the investor and name of the current account should be same. That's the only requirement.
हाँ हाँ, नेम ऑफ द इन्वेस्टर, और मतलब कोई
Agar
फॉर्म के
suppose he is
हम।
investing for a proprietorship firm, then open a proprietorship account. Means you register a proprietorship account, investor ID. Because name of the bank account and name of the investor should tally.
हाँ, मतलब कि जो करंट अकाउंट मतलब प्रॉपर्टी का नाम है, तो वो इसके हिसाब से कुछ प्रूफ क्या देना पड़ेगा?
अपने पर्सनल so he can't invest in his personal name by investing for proprietorship account. Suppose example, my proprietorship company name is say ABCD Medical. Then the account will also be opened in ABCD Medical, although I am the proprietor. Clear?
हाँ, लेकिन मतलब ना दिया हुआ तो वो मतलब धंधा है, वो नाम जिस नाम का, तो उसका कोई जीएसटी सर्टिफिकेट के ऐसा कुछ वो अपलोड
नहीं,
वो नहीं?
only check is हाँ,
ओनली
only
चेक।
check. Yeah, check will contain that company.
पान कार्ड है तो कंपनी का जो भी है पान कार्ड है वही?
हाँ, correct. Obviously, PAN card will be there. PAN card you have to upload. Address proof you have to upload. All that will be in company name only ना. Company will उसका कोई rental है तो rental agreement,
हाँ हाँ।
utility,
ओ,
ठीक है? Okay, Mr. Sir. So I'll mute him and now I'll allow Mr. Kiran Rao who has the next question. Yes, Mr. Kiran Rao, you're asked. You can ask your question now next.
Sir, you are able to hear me, sir?
Yeah, very much loud and clear.
Sir, you told me that advisors will get a trial income if a customer stays invested for 1 year. Suppose if a customer, one of the customer would have brought around 10 lakhs. So if he stays invested for 1 year, what is the commission that advisor will be getting, sir?
1 lakh, 10,000. 1% of 10 lakh is how much? 10,000.
Okay.
So what
So,
I'm saying is, suppose I'll tell you, Mr. Kiran, now he invests this month 10 lakh rupees in a 12-month scheme, which is 9.5%. Next month itself you will get 10,000. You don't have to wait for entire 1 year to get 10,000.
oh, okay.
Because it is already locked in na, for 12 months. But suppose he invests in 0-month period. That means then we don't know when he's going to withdraw, right? It's not fixed. So then every month he will get for how many days it is holding like that.
Sir, that same customer is going to, if he is going to renew next year also for the same term, we'll get it once again?
Again you will get 10,000.
Okay.
That's why I'm saying you are building a lifetime income with the customer. If you heard his presentation, he said 90% people renew the investment.
Yeah, okay. I heard, okay, out of 10 people, okay, 8 to 9 people will renew.
Correct. So I'm saying, or 90% of the amount will get renewed. Means the interest portion maybe they'll take out, but they'll keep. So basically, your aim will keep on growing up in the sense like that.
Sir, can you share that PPT, okay, which is shareable, okay, for
I will
advisors?
share it. Whatever that material, yes, it can be shared. You please ask Mr. Ritesh. I've given the number now. He will share it to you.
Yeah.
You WhatsApp it to him. Mention your another thing. He will come back to you. He'll share the material. Okay.
Sir, one more thing, okay. Ritesh has done, okay, now onboarded for all of my clients. Tomorrow, if I acquire another, okay, 10, 15 clients, then those set of clients can also be onboarded, okay, subsequently.
All can be onboarded. Yeah. Any number, any time. 1 client, 2 client, 10 clients, any number of clients can be onboarded at any point of time. No issue.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's it from my side, sir. Okay, yes.
Okay, thank you, Mr.
Thanks.
So, mute yourself and then. So I guess there are no more questions. Anybody has any questions? There is a raise hand facility. You could raise and ask if you want to think, or I'll just kind of. Now I have given unmute right to everyone. So if anybody has any questions, you are free to unmute, or we will now bring the meeting close because I already passed the 6:30 time. I hope it's all clear. And
for non-individuals, any additional requirement?
Mr. Kalyan Krishnan, yes, non-individual. No. 3 documents. proof of address, proof of identity, and proof of bank.
Okay.
So
fine.
PAN, proof of address will be some utility bill mostly. They will have some telephone bill, electricity bill, rental agreement, and then the last option, the proof of and the proof of bank will be same. They're mostly their check or statement.
Okay. fine.
Yeah. So the requirements are very simple, very easy, and they already I can see lots of people have. I'm surprised today. Last month, first month there were IFAs whose payouts were 45,000, 60,000. Those kind of payouts people have done and taken. So it's like in a single month. So I believe that's just starting. I'm sure there will be days when I see lakhs and lakhs of payout of a single IFA in a single month for Liquid. So it's just a matter of time the way they have been building up. But this is so a lakh a month is a 12 lakhs annum kind of thing. So I think in Indian context with that kind of income, because it's a great product, it's probably if equity mutual fund is one portion of people investment, they are 4 times they have investment in gold, property, and fixed deposits, and 4 I'm saying is on lower side, much more than that. So you have lot of corpus which you can attract investment, because this is not as risky or volatile as equity. So this is a much safer and much better investment, and you have a great opportunity to build a great portfolio with a great trail income as well. So it's a combination of two great important stuff. Okay, so Mr. Kiran, you still have any question? I still see your hand. Or I think that was last question. Yes, so Mr. Kiran said, yes, Indians are still risk averse and they expose maximum debt. And recently, if you see, again, market has started to become volatile. Again, it will push people to become risk averse. They said, yeah, market had a great year. Now it will no longer have, and they will again push people to go. So it's a good time if you start making these people invest something in a corpus which is guaranteeing a return. At least, suppose 3-4 months later, if market has not done well in those periods, at least you have some face to go to investors saying, see, I got you diversified into these products, and these products are at least giving you a backup investment. By the time market will come back through SIP and other things, so you continue to doing your normal SIPs, but to build a long-term corpus, but do this short-term, more fixed income, fixed yield kind of thing, where more certain things. And I'm sure there will be people. And the great thing about monthly payout is every first of working day of the month, the money gets credited to the account, and it's like done absolutely neatly, cleanly. It's happening. So it's almost like drawing a pension. And recently, last webinar, some MFD also asked that kind of question and made it very clear that you can do STP and all that. Like how you can do that? You can set up a corpus in liquid loans. Every first of the month, money comes in. Every fifth of the month, every first working date will come. So every fifth or seventh, you can set up an SIP into a mutual fund. That way, from liquid loans, you can set up an SIP into a equity mutual fund. So people who like you do now, like STP you do from debt to equity, you can do from liquid loans to equity also. First you set up a monthly payout, and then set up a SIP into the mutual fund. So that way you are combining power of 2 more funds and build a long-term corpus, so that people can park big lump sum here, do a monthly thing, and then do a SIP into a long-term thing. So you can come out with your own options. The other option was there, that suppose if somebody wants a regular income regularly here, that also can be done. You can because if the corpus of equity goes much higher because of the growth, and overall because of that asset allocation, equity has become very bigger. So instead of moving to debt, you can take out that money and park it into liquid loans and get him that income. So you can do asset allocation things, you can do STP, SIP into mutual funds, you can do lots of other things also. So, or even if you are having a systematic withdrawal from equity funds, if you are drawing it systematically, or sometimes I also say you have a lump sum available here, you can shift it to liquid loans. So various things you can think of, different ideas where you can work. These are all inbuilt and very easy to configure, and I'm sure you'll find various uses of that. So with that, Mr. Kiran, now you have any questions? I have given power to unmute if you have anything. Otherwise, I guess we are done with all the questions. And thank you so much for being here. Yes, Mr. Kiran, so answer was correct.
Sir,
And
sir,
this is
okay.
a great.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Sir, okay. If the customer would like to withdraw the money, in how many days he'll get back his money?
T plus 2.
T+2.
The day you order, any time before 4 o'clock, you have to place the order so that it can be go for processing. Working day,
Okay.
second working day from the T+2, the money will come to the account. Okay.
T+2, okay. Monday to Friday.
Yeah, Monday to Friday. Correct. T+2 is Monday to Friday.
Monday to Friday.
So the day you place order 4 o'clock before that, then T+2. If you place after 4 o'clock, then it is like placed next year indirectly. Okay.
Sir,
So
okay. Once again, okay. Your presentation was okay, crisp and clear, sir. Okay, we understood very much clearly.
Sure. And you take advantage of Mr. Ritesh also. He's extending a lot of help. Like he can conduct webinar for your customers.
Yeah.
If they want to understand something more, so you can speak to him. He's already doing investor webinars on behalf of the IFAs who are interested. He's doing that on
Okay.
Sundays also, on Saturdays also. So you can also fix a time with him if you need that. If you are doing yourself, very well and good. So if you need his help, you can take that. He also building customized marketing materials like custom posters and videos containing your contact address and details of Liquid Loans. So take advantage of that. Contact him. I given your number in the chat, and use that to circulate to your customers and potential customers, because I am sure you already have customers, but using this you can build another layer of new set of customers who probably never invested in mutual funds, are risk averse, and they can start getting attached to you, because that's the way you can start building relationship with them, or people who have not so much shown faith in other products, they can be brought here. So there are a lot of amount of lot bigger audience you can approach to for this product, because we are at a cusp of a new revolution where new products and services getting launched, and there will be more takers of that. And if you can take advantage of this, you can create a pioneer kind of image in your client audience and all that, and that will help you to bring your wealth advisory to the next level. So I believe clearly this is a great product to have, or to market, or to counsel to customer, and have them invest on this, and take this forward. So 1 year of campaign on this could make start of a new 100 crore AUM in 1 year time, or in few years time of this product. And that's where it starts making a kind of a difference. 100 crore AUM makes a 1 crore per annum income on trail itself. So that's a thing which can happen. It's not that far-fetched a dream. People have achieved in much riskier asset. So this is a much easier asset compared to that to sell or counsel or to bring other customers. It's just a question of being perseverant about it and taking it forward. So I'm sure, wish you all the best. We are all with you. And I'm sure we look forward to working with you and taking this forward. Thanks a lot for staying so late and hearing the presentation on a working day. Wish you all the best and goodbye.